Leader, that's a legitimate request.
Yes, Honorable Speaker, let me thank the Minority Whip for that concern and to confirm to the House, Honorable Speaker, and the country that indeed it's true. A lot of public participation has been done by the Finance Committee. And Honorable Speaker, if you can protect me from this group behind here, led by the member for Mwatate.
Mwashako and the member for Garsen.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. I was saying, Honorable Speaker, following the extensive public participation that comes to a close today, I am informed by the clerk's office that the Committee on Finance will retreat from tonight and all the way up to Monday, and hopefully they should be able to table a report from next week, Tuesday, when the House sits for the first sittings next week. And Honorable Speaker, it is also true that it is only upon the tabling of that report that members can be able to debate and even have a very clear public discourse on what will be contained in the final bill or what would become the Act of Parliament, Finance Act of 2024. Because, Honorable Speaker, I have seen even governors in funerals, in churches, like the governor, clueless governor for Nyeri, debating the finance bill and saying he will vote no, as if he votes in this house. And you know that governor, Honorable Speaker, even has no idea of what is contained in the finance bill, has not even bothered to follow what the public discourse. And therefore, I would just appeal to even the governor for Nyeri. I know the people sending him are the same characters who are trying to mobilize members of parliament. And I must thank these honorable members of the National Assembly because they have refused to be incited against the finance bill and insisted on waiting for the report of the Finance Committee to read, understand what is now contained in that report, see what amendments come out of the public participation, then we make decisions based on what will come. But we cannot make decisions based on what some funny governor is saying in some church somewhere, Honorable Speaker. And I thank the Honorable Junet for raising that question because it gives us the opportunity also to put into proper perspective the workings and operations of the National Assembly and indeed Parliament. That we never preempt debate to go and debate things out there before they come before us. The bill is rightly before the Finance Committee. The Finance Committee is considering the bill plus the proposed amendments that have come from members of the public and other stakeholders and Kenyans at large. And I do hope the Finance Committee will work with speed to be able to table that report next week, Honorable Speaker. Thank you.
Thank you. Jared, yes.